good afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank our Creator and Preserver of the Universe to make this momentous event a reality.
Do solemnly promise and declare that I will, to the best of my ability, perform all the duties of the office to which I have been elected, that I will account for all monies coming to my possession in my official capacity as the officers of this duty.
To have fun, to save the world. This is our motto here in Moscovites. All what we have to do here is to come together, make fellowship, raise funds, and organize charitable activities, especially for our kababayans here in Batangas.
I now declare the officers of this Batangas Bracha Duchy installed into their respective offices in due form and ceremony. Congratulations.
We are here for a common goal, to touch lives of many, especially those in need. Our act of giving, if we done with love, doesn't just benefit our recipient, but also enriches our lives too. Together, we are capable of creating the legacy of kindness, and for that, we will be remembered for generations to come. Thank you, Nobels. And once again, sabayan niyo ako, for the life of the Tsar. For the